Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss the numericals of chapter number 8 exercise. Now the first of all, question number 19. The statement of question number 19 is that Kc value for the following reaction is 0.016 at 520 degrees centigrade, and equation given is 2Hi, H2 and I2. Equilibrium mixture contains the concentration of hydrogen iodide is 0.08 moles, hydrogen 0.01 moles, iodine 0.01 moles. To this mixture, more hydrogen iodide is added so that its new concentration is 0.096 moles. What will be the concentration of hydrogen iodide, hydrogen and iodine when equilibrium is re-established? We know that when reaction is taking place at equal rates in the forward and reverse reaction and equilibrium, and now when it is disturbed by adding either Hi or some other reactants or products, then the equilibrium is re-established. Now we have to calculate the concentration of hydrogen iodide, hydrogen iodine when more hydrogen iodide is added in the equilibrium, when the reaction is reached at equilibrium state. Now Kc given is 0.016. Equation is 2Hi, reversible reaction, H2 plus I2. 0.08 moles of hydrogen iodide is given. When time is equal to equilibrium, then 0.08 moles of hydrogen iodide and 0.01 moles of H2 and 0.01 moles of I2. When for new equilibrium, if hydrogen iodide is added, then it will change into hydrogen and iodine, and the new concentrations will also be changed. The concentration of hydrogen iodide is 0.096 minus 2x and 0.01 plus x, 0.01 plus x. We know that for writing Kc, the products are written above while the reactants are written below. So Kc is equal to H2, I2 and Hi square. 2 is the coefficient which will be the exponent of hydrogen iodide in Kc expression. The value of Kc is 0.016 and H2 0.01 plus x, then I2 0.01 plus x divided by 0.096 minus 2x whole square. Now solve this. 0.016 and 0.01 plus x square, 0.09 minus 2x whole square. Then take under root of both sides, under root of 0.016 and then under root of 0.01 plus x square divided by 0.096 minus 2x square. The under root of 0.016 is 0.126 and is equal to 0.01 plus x divided by 0.096 minus 2x. Solve this. Take 0.096 minus 2x on other side. It will multiply with 0.012 into 0.096 minus 2x equal to 0.01 plus x, then 0.012 multiply 0.126 with 0.096, answer is 0.0121 minus 0.252x is equal to 0.01 plus x. Then take 0.252x on other side and 0.01 on left hand side. 0.0121 minus 0.01 is equal to x plus 0.252x. Then 0.01 0021 is equal to 1.252x, and now for finding the value of x, divide 0.0021 by 1.252. The answer is 0.00168. Now the new concentrations are H2 0.01 plus 0.00168. So answer is 0.01168. For iodine, 0.01 plus 0.00168 is equal to 0.01168 moles. And for Hi, 0.096 minus 2 into 0.00168 is equal to 0.0926 moles. Now question number 20 of the exercise of chapter number 8. The equilibrium constant for the reaction between acetic acid and ethyl alcohol is 4. A mixture of 3 moles of acetic acid and 1 mole of ethyl alcohol is allowed to come to equilibrium. Calculate the amount of ethyl acetate present at equilibrium. First of all, write the equation, which is acetic acid plus ethyl alcohol, ethyl acetate plus H2O. When time is equal to 0, 3 moles of acetic acid react with 1 mole of ethyl alcohol, then 0 moles of ethyl acetate and 0 moles of water. Then at equilibrium, x moles of ethyl acetate and x moles of water are formed, and 3 minus x moles of acetic acid and 1 minus x moles of ethyl alcohol. Kc is equal to 4. Then we know that Kc is written by writing the products in numerator and reactants in denominator. Kc is equal to ethyl acetate into water divided by acetic acid into ethyl alcohol. Value of water and ethyl acetate are x. So x into x, and 3 minus x into 1 minus x. Value of Kc is 4. 4 is equal to x square divided by 3 minus x into 1 minus x. Then solve this equation. Take 3 minus x into 1 minus x on the other side, on left hand side. Then 4 into 3 minus x into 1 minus x is equal to x square. 4 into multiply 3x minus 3 minus x into 1 minus x square minus 4x plus 3 into 4, and then answer is 4x square minus 16x plus 12 is equal to x square. Now take x square on left hand side. 4x square minus x square minus 16x plus 12 is equal to 0, and then final equation is 3x square minus 16x plus 12 is equal to 0. To find the value of x, formula applied is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under root divided by 2a. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 16, and c is equal to 12. Put these values in above equation. X is equal to minus into minus 16 plus minus 16 square minus 4 into 3 into 12 divided by 2 into 3. X is equal to plus 16 plus minus under root 112 divided by 6. The answers of x are 0.903 moles, or x is equal to 4.43 moles. The acceptable value of x is equal to 0.903. So moles of ethyl acetate are equal to 0.903 moles. For mass of ethyl acetate, number of moles into molar mass. Molar mass of ethyl acetate is 88. So multiply 0.903 with 88. So answer is 79.46 gram. Then mass of acetic acid left behind. Initially the acetic acid taken was 3 gram, minus 3 moles minus 0.903 moles, 2.097 moles, and for mass multiply these number of moles with molar mass. that is 60, 125.82 gram. Mass of ethyl alcohol left behind, 1 mole was taken and 0.903 moles reacted. The number of moles left behind is 0.097 moles. Multiply with 46 to calculate the mass of ethyl alcohol, which is 4.462 gram. Then question number 21. There are two parts of this question, A and B. Study the equilibrium, and equation is given H2O plus CO gives rise to H2 plus CO2. In part A, write an expression of Kc. It is very easy. We have just to write the value of Kc or expression of Kc. And in part B, when 1 mole of steam and 1 mole of carbon monoxide are allowed to reach equilibrium, 33.3% of equilibrium mixture is hydrogen. Calculate the value of Kp, state the units of Kp. Now, first of all, we solve the part A. As the number of moles of reactants and products are equal, so Kp is equal to Kc. And Kc can be written as Kc is equal to H2 into CO2 divided by H2O into CO, which is equal to PH2, PCO2 and PH2O, PCO. P stands for partial pressure because reactants are product and products are given in gaseous state. Solution of part B. The total number of moles of reactants are 2. Concentration of hydrogen at equilibrium is equal to 33.3%. Number of moles of hydrogen divided by total number of moles of mixture is equal to 33.3 divided by 100. Number of moles of hydrogen are X and total number of moles are 2 is equal to 33.3 over 100. Take 2 on the right hand side, it will multiply, then X is equal to 33.3 over 100 into 2. The value of X is 0.666 moles. Now write the equation again. H2O plus CO, H2 plus CO2. When time is equal to 0, 1 mole of H2 and 1 mole of CO and 0 moles of hydrogen and 0 moles of carbon dioxide. When time is equal to equilibrium, then 1 minus 0.666 moles of H2O and 1 minus 0.666 moles of CO, because 0.666 moles of H2 and 0.666 moles of CO2 are formed. So number of moles of reactants formed will be equal to the number of moles of products lessened or decreased. Kp is equal to Kc is equal to Kp because expression for both is same. H2 into CO2 divided by H2O over CO, the values are given. We will put the values. H2 is 0.666 into CO2 is also 0.666 and H2O 1 minus 0.666 and CO 1 minus 0.666. So Kc is equal to 4. The number of moles of reactants and products are equal, so there will be no unit for Kc or Kp. And then total number of moles of reactants and products are same, and Kc or Kp has no units. Next, question number 22. Calculate the pH of, this question has 4 parts, A, B, C and D. In A, 10 to power minus 4 mole per decimeter cube of HCl. Then B, 10 to power minus 4 mole per decimeter cube of barium hydroxide. In C part, 1.0 mole per decimeter cube of H2X, which is only 50% dissociated. And in D part, 1.0 mole per decimeter cube of ammonium hydroxide, which is 1% dissociated. In part B, HCl it will ionize to form H positive ion and Cl negative ions. And we know that the formula for pH is equal to minus log of H positive ion concentration. The value of H positive ion concentration is 1 into 10 to power minus 4. So negative log 1 into 10 to power minus 4 minus into minus 4 into log 10. Log 10 is equal to 1. Minus 1 with minus 4 is equal to 4. So pH of 10 to power minus 4 moles per decimeter cube of HCl is 4. In part B, barium hydroxide will ionize to form barium ions and 2OH negative ions. The concentration of barium hydroxide is 1 into 10 to power minus 4 moles and concentration of hydroxide ion is twice. So 2 into 10 to power minus 4 moles. pOH is equal to negative log of OH negative ion. Negative log 2 into 10 to power minus 4, put the value of OH. Then minus into minus 3.698, which is 3.698. We know that sum of pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So pH plus 3.698 is equal to 14. Take 3.698 on other side, 14 minus 3.698, and pH is equal to 10.3. So the pH of barium hydroxide is 10.3. Part C, H2X will give 2H positive ion plus X 2 negative ions. Concentration of H2X is equal to 1 mole. The acid which dissociates 50 over 100 into 1, 0.5 moles. Concentration of H positive ion 0.5 into 2, because 2 moles of hydrogen ions are formed, is equal to 1 mole. So formula is pH is equal to negative log of H positive ion, negative log of 1, and log 1 is 0. So pH is equal to 0. Then part D, ammonium hydroxide will ionize to form ammonium ions plus OH negative ions. Concentration of ammonium hydroxide is equal to 1 mole. Concentration of OH negative ion, which is 1% dissociation, is equal to 1 over 100, which is equal to 0.01 moles. So pH is equal to pOH is equal to negative log OH negative ions. Put the value of OH negative ions. So pOH is equal to minus log into 0.01 mole. pOH is equal to 2. Sum of pH plus pOH is equal to 14. And if we want to calculate the pH, and value of pOH is 2, 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. So pH of ammonium hydroxide is 12. Then question number 23, A part. Question 23 has also two parts. Benzoic acid, its formula is C6H5COOH, is a weak monobasic acid. Ka value given is 6.4 10 to power minus 5 mole per decimeter cube. What is the pH of a solution containing 7.2 gram of sodium benzoate in 1 decimeter cube of 0.02 mole per decimeter cube benzoic acid? Mass of sodium benzoate is 7.2 gram per decimeter cube, and molar mass of sodium benzoate is 144 gram per mole. Number of moles of sodium benzoate, N, is equal to small m over capital M. Given mass is 7.2. Divide this given mass with 144, which is its molar mass. The answer is 0.05 mole per decimeter cube. Similarly, number of moles of benzoic acid, 0.02 moles per decimeter cube, and K of benzoic acid is given 6.5 10 to power minus 5. 6.4 10 to power minus 5. Write the equation C6H5COOH. It will ionize to give H positive ion and C6H5COO negative ion, benzoate ion. Ka is equal to 6.4 10 to power minus 5. Pk is equal to minus log Ka, negative log 6.4 10 to power minus 5. Pk 4.19, and we know that formula of pH is equal to pKa plus log salt over acid. The value of pKa is 4.19, log concentration of salt is 0.05, and that of acid is 0.02. Then by solving this, answer is 4.58. The pH of benzoic acid is 4.58. Part B of question number 23 of the exercise of chapter number 8. A buffer solution has been prepared by mixing 0.2 moles sodium acetate and 0.5 moles acetic acid in 1 decimeter cube of solution. Calculate the pH of solution. pKa of acid is 4.74 at 25 degrees centigrade. How the value of pH will change by adding 0.1 mole of sodium hydroxide and 0.1 mole of HCl separately. So the data given is molarity of acetic acid is 0.5 moles, molarity of sodium acetate 0.2 moles, pKa 4.74, and pH is required. Formula applied is pH is equal to pKa plus log salt over acid. Value of pKa is 4.74. Then plus log, value of salt is 0.2 and value of acid is 0.5. 4.74 plus log 0.4, 4.74 minus 0.397, and pH is 4.34. Now value of pH when 0.1 mole sodium hydroxide is added. 0.1 mole sodium hydroxide neutralize the acetic acid, and its new concentration will be 0.4 moles and sodium acetate is 0.3 moles. Equation is acetic acid plus sodium hydroxide, sodium acetate plus water. Then pH is equal to pK plus log salt over acid. pH is equal to 4.74 plus log 0.3 over 0.4, which is log 0.75. 4.74 and log of 0.75 is 0.125. So pH is 4.615. When 0.1 mole of sodium hydroxide is added, the pH of that solution will be 4.615. Now we will calculate the value of pH when 0.1 mole of HCl is added. 0.1 mole HCl will react with sodium acetate and the concentration of acetic acid will increase to 0.6 mole and the concentration of sodium acetate will decrease to 0.1 mole. Equation is sodium acetate plus HCl, acetic acid plus NaCl. The formula applied is pH is equal to pK plus log salt over acid. The value of pK is 4.74 and salt is 0.1, acid is 0.6. 4.74 plus log 0.1666, 4.74 minus 0.778, and the pH is 3.962. Question number 24 of the exercise of chapter number 8 is the solubility of calcium fluoride is in water at 25 degrees centigrade is found to 2.05 10 to power minus 4 mole per decimeter cube. What is the value of KSP at this temperature? Calcium fluoride will form calcium ion and 2 F negative ions. Initially in the start, 2.05 into 10 to power minus 4 moles of calcium fluoride, and concentration of calcium ion and fluoride is 0. Then change in concentration, 2.05 mole into 10 to power minus 4 mole per decimeter cube of calcium fluoride are dissolved and changed into calcium ion and fluoride ions. So 2.05 10 to power minus 4 and that of fluoride ion concentration is double, 2 into 2.05 10 to power minus 4. At equilibrium, 2.05 10 to power minus 4 and 2 into 2.05 10 to power minus 4, which is 4.1 10 to power minus 4. Then put the value of calcium ions and fullerene ions. The formula of KSP is equal to calcium ion and fullerene ion square. Put these values 2.505 10 to power minus 4 and 4.1 into 10 to power minus 4 square whole square, and the answer is 3.446 10 to power minus 11 mole cube decimeter minus 9. Question number 25 of exercise. The solubility product of silver chromate is 2.6 10 to power minus 2 at 25 degrees centigrade. Calculate the solubility of the compound. Here KSP is given. Solubility product KSP is 2.6 10 to power minus 2. Solubility of the compound S is required. First we will write the equation Ag2CrO4. It will give rise to 2 silver ions and 1 chromate ions. And solubility is represented by S. Then KSP is equal to solubility of silver ions is 2S and that of chromate ions is S. KSP is equal to silver ion square chromate ions into chromate ions. Value of KSP is 2.6 10 to power minus 2 is equal to 2S square into S, which is 4S cube. 2.6 10 to power minus 2 is equal to 4S cube. Now 4S cube is equal to 2.6 into 10 to power minus 2. Then take 4 on the right hand side, it will divide. S cube is equal to 2.6 into 10 to power minus 2 divided by 4, and the S cube is equal to 0.0065. Take the under root cube of both sides, a root cube of both sides. S is equal to 0.1866 mole per decimeter cube.